Children, tell me the meaning of some of the difficult words. Infusion. Infusion means a liquid obtained by boiling things in water. Restorative. Restorative means a thing that restores health. Inscriptions. Inscription means a thing inscribed. Radicals. Here, radicals are chemicals produced in our body. Connoisseurs. Connoisseurs means an expert judge in matter of taste. Well done, children. Can you tell what is the difference between legend or stories and history and differences between claim and fact? History is the study of the past based on real facts and evidence, whereas a story is an account of imaginary or real people and events told for entertainment. Ma'am, I can tell the difference between claim and fact. Fact is something which has actually happened, and claim is a representation of doing or achieving something by oneself. Very good. Now it's time for language study. Do you know what is a compound word? When two words come together to form a new word, the new word is called a compound word. For example, evergreen is the combination of two words, that is ever and green. Blood pressure is the combination of two words, blood and pressure. Some compound words are written as one word. Example, teapot. Some with a hyphen between them. Example, tea making. And some as two separate words. Example, tea club. Find all the words or pairs of words that begin with T from the passage. Tea plant, tea estate, tea garden, tea shrub, tea seeds, tea whisking, tea making, tea tasting, tea mended, tea drinking, tea club, tea ceremony, teapots, tea kettle, jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea. Very good. Now let's come to non-finite form or infinitive verb. Sometimes the form of a verb in a sentence names the action but does not change according to tense, number or persons. Such a form is known as non-finite form or an infinitive. An infinitive is used with or without to, for example. How did people first begin to drink tea? Can you name the beverage? In the above sentence, to drink and name are the infinitive verbs that do not change its form. Now I will show you some sentences. Tell me the infinitive form from them. It was funny to read words that stood still. To read. To be or not to be. To be. Can I read the book? Read. They could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Help, talk. Well done, children. So by this we come to the end of our lesson. Hope you all must have enjoyed it. Let's meet in the next session.